Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this place again. Today, we are going to start a series of error detection. Today, in this video, I will let you know that how you can start preparing for error detection. Because see, somehow there are, in many competitive exams, there are a lot of questions based on error detection. And generally, students are very confused that how to start preparing error detection and how to, get marks in that particular topic. So I think that I should start a series in which we should discuss some important, examples along with the rules they are using. By this, what will happen? It will help you to understand the exact concept as well as let you know how you should practice. So today we will talk about the basic approach in error detection. So here it is. In error detection, the first and the foremost, and most asked question is that how to solve error detection question. Every time I have seen students struggling with how to start and how to solve such question, how to get command on it. So, from where to start is the main basic thing. So, in order to be able to do that, one must have to understand grammatical aspects of the language. Means you should know that which topics you should study. Okay, and by grammatical aspects of the language, I mean these parts of speech, subject verb agreement, tenses, and voice. And after such topic, it comes like verb, nouns, verb, and all that stuff. Actually, we include noun, verb, pronouns, then your prepositions, etc. All these comes under parts of speech, and along with the basic knowledge there are some rules which you should learn. And how you will learn that is just by practice. You should know the basic knowledge of parts of speech. Next comes subject verb agreement, that how in subject verb agreement you get to know that how subject make a balance with the verb. Like if the subject is singular, verb should be singular, and if the subject is plural, verb should be plural. And this is not just this much only. There are lot of rules you need to practice. Then the third important thing is tenses. Yes, of course, you should know the basic knowledge of tenses, because tenses let you know, a proper structure of a sentence. And then comes the voice. You should know all these aspects so that you can understand the structure of the sentence. Then once you are aware of the structure of the sentence, then it will become easy for you to find out the error. And of course, the main thing is vocabulary. You would also need to develop a fairly good vocabulary so that you know how different words are used in different contexts. For example, like there is like one word like between and among. People generally do mistake here that they use between at the place of among and among at place of between. So there should be a good knowledge of vocabulary, and for that you need to learn word often confused, synonyms, antonyms, etc. See, vocabulary is something which you prepare daily. Like at least 10 new words you should learn on a daily basis, so that you cannot sit at the night of the one night before the exam and cram everything. No, that's not possible at all. Vocabulary is something you should prepare daily. Like start from 1 to 3 words, and more and more words you can add to your vocabulary. Now the second key concept is, yes, of course, practice. Practice as much as you can, practice more and more, so that you can learn the rules. and that can be done by practice only. You cannot cram. Once you know the rule, you have to practice, and it will make you learn the rules. Okay, so it will help you to keep the rules in your mind. So practice as much as you can. You can use old previous year exams, or there is a lot of stuff is available online, so you can go for that. So try to practice as much as you can. Now, after learning the rules and practice, the third thing you should keep in mind is option elimination approach. What actually happens is we keep looking at the question and trying to search and trying to find the error, but we didn't get that. The thing is, every time you are, you cannot focus on the single approach. You have to try new thing, and you have to act smart to save your time. Okay, so the third approach is option elimination approach. Once you locate an error, eliminate all the options that include that error within them. So it will help you to understand, like, once you try to eliminate the most proper option, so that you can find the right answer in the option itself. So that will also help you a lot. So guys, this was the very first video of our error detection series. In our next video, I'll come up with very nice examples and the rules which one should follow to learn and to understand error detection. I hope you understand the proper way to start and the basic approach for error detection. For more, please keep watching this video, and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you.